Hey guys, welcome to Chica Toy Collection with Minnie Boutique Cash Register. We will also be opening My Little Pony Friendship is Magic Surprise Collectibles, Hello Kitty Surprise Minifigure Collectibles, and My World Collector Pack. And I see our good friend Chica the Butterfly. Hey Chica, are you ready to play with the cash register? Alright then, come on, let's get started. The Minnie Boutique playset includes a cash register, a basket, a play apple, a play croissant, 1 pretend credit card, 3 play coins, and 4 pieces of play money. Here is the pink basket, and we'll be putting the apple and the croissant in it. Let's remove the cash register from the box. The cash register has a scanner that actually beeps when pressed. I think that's awesome. It also makes Minnie Phrases realistic sounds. And you know guys, this cash register has a real money drawer that opens, but you have to remove the lock below the cash register to make it work. Here is the pretend credit card, and you can also see the 3 play coins. Here's a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. Here are the 4 pieces of play money. Here's a $1 mini dollar, 5 mini dollar, and look, a 10 mini dollar. It even has a 20 mini dollar. Awesome. Alright guys, let's play with the cash register. I'll be placing some of the money inside the drawer. And let's pretend that we're buying the play apple and play croissant. So, an apple cost $5 and a croissant cost $5 as well. So total is $10. We'll pay $20. And we should get a $10 change. And there you go, our $10 back. Now, let's try to scan the surprise item that we'll be opening. Here's the My World Collector's Pack. See, the scanner is sounding great, and we'll pay using the credit card. Guys, it's time to open our surprise collection. We'll start with the Hello Kitty Surprise Minifigure Collectibles. We can get different Hello Kitties with these that we can collect. And here is our first Hello Kitty. Oh, she looks so adorable. I wonder what's in the second package. Let's see. Oh, I see a Hello Kitty with a teal hat. And here is the My Little Pony collection with Pinkie Pie. It comes with a collector card and a collector pony. Hey, Pinkie Pie. And now, here is Luckette. Luckette looks good too. Let's see what's inside of my World Collector's Pack. It's the Mrs. Fields cookie with 2 drinks. It has the instructions, the cookie box, the stickers, the giant cookie, and there's a sun in the middle, and 2 cups. The cups will look good with stickers on, so come on, let's put it on the cups. There's one. And this sticker goes to the second one. Awesome. Now we need to put more sticker on the cup. You know what? The cup looks better now. Okay, it's time to assemble the box. This is where we put the giant cookie in. And we have the instructions to see how to do it. Now the box is okay, we'll place the cookie in. Just like that. That's really great. And we will seal this box with another sticker. Here is the other collector pack. Oh, it looks like a pumpkin chiller, a cookie bag, and cookies. Here's the sticker. Here's the cookie bag. And here are the cookies. And there's a pumpkin chiller too. Alright, let's put a sticker on the pumpkin chiller. Cool. Now let's put the cookie in the cookie box. I'm getting hungry, guys. This looks good. There you have it, our surprise collectibles. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos here at Chica Toy Collection.